So how to already put some paste on here. This one I did already, just to show you how it was. So a little bit of a difference. Totally sandblasted actually from the highways. Yep. Just grab your little Milwaukee, super handy tool. If you want to order it, this is the number. And this Milwaukee paste, it's a heavy cut, really works well for this kind of job. Just put some on, spread it out. And this one is done with 4 layers of polishing. So I will show you how I do it. Press it, medium compress the pad, and then go like this, medium speed. And then we go like this. Show you all the spots, like a little 8. And again, just like this, horizontal, and the paste is almost gone, so we wipe it off and check it out. Yep, and after 1 layer there will already be a big difference. The yellow stuff is gone, the yellow shine, and look over here. Over here there are spots coming through, like normal shiny spots on the lights. And that's how fast you can do it without sandpaper or special stuff. So now the old debris is off, and I will polish it a bit by hand. You can do it by hand too, but it just takes longer, of course. Yep, super flat, shiny, glossy. So 3 more layers of the same thing, and then we'll have this. And I'm sure if I do it a couple of more layers, they will almost be new. Difference with new ones is there's lacquer on them, and that disappears when sand blasts your light. So over here you can see it's shiny and good, but there's still a little bit of orange peel. But it will be good for the technical control and stuff. Will last you a good year or 2. Every year you should do it, and you'll save some headlights. Voila, that's it.